In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix muted video on TikTok. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, let's check why your TikTok video get muted. So TikTok will mute your videos when you use sound not owned by you. So this is because it's classed as copyrighted music or audio, and therefore you could get both TikTok and yourself in trouble if they allow you to use it. So this applies to any sound which isn't original. So that this means that the video that you've uploaded has been copyrighted. That's why video muted your audio. So to fix this, what we want to do is go to TikTok. First, let's go to our account. So tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner of the screen and select a post that you've posted. So for example, this one. Also, it's not copyrighted. We can also see if we have copyrighted videos here in our inbox. So in my case, I don't have one. So if in any case you want your video to be unmuted, what you want to do is to simply, when you upload your video right here, you should just simply remove the audio from the video itself. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.